talking about some triangles and how to classify them by the angle measures. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. In the meantime, another math jewel coming up shortly. What's up, everybody? My name is Dana Harris with Gurus Math Tutoring, and I'm back again to drop some more math jewels. In this video, I'm talking about classifying triangles by their angles. Okay, so there's two ways you can classify triangles. You can classify them by the lengths of the sides, and you can classify them by the measures of the angles. So, as you can see, there are 4 different triangles behind me, so there's 4 different ways we can classify triangles by their angles. Now, looking at the first one, you don't see anything. You just see a triangle. It has 3 sides like it's supposed to, but guess what? These 3 angles, visually you can tell these are acute angles. Well, what is an acute angle, you say? It's an angle with a measure less than 90 degrees, okay? So when we have 3 acute angles, this is called an acute triangle, okay? So we're gonna say acute triangle. All right, moving on to the next one. Notice each angle has that little mark there, right? That tells me that those angle measures are the same. Now, typically it's done in a different color if you see it in a book or on a website with an assignment or something like that. So that means all 3 of these angles have the same measure. So that tells me this is an equiangular triangle. So equiangular equiangular triangle, right? They have all 3 measures are the same. Over here in our third example, notice this little square right there, right? That is the symbol to show you that this is a right angle, which means that angle is 90 degrees. So we're going to call this a right triangle. Okay? And I don't like that R. A right triangle means it has at least one right angle. Now, a triangle can only have one right angle, but if it has a right angle, it is a right triangle. And last but not least, notice you have this angle is visually, it's acute. Visually, this one is an acute angle as well, but this one is visually an obtuse angle. So we call this an obtuse triangle because it has at least one obtuse angle. So once again, we have 4 different classifications by angles. We have the acute triangle, we have the equiangular triangle, we have the right triangle, and last but not least, we have the obtuse triangle. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, share it with your teacher friends, your parent friends, and all that kind of stuff. And I appreciate you all. Remember, Young Gurus Math Tutoring. I've got the solution to your math problems.